Hey there guys, it's me Ethan from Ethan's Toy Lab, and today I'll be showing you how to make a BrickHeadz skateboard. This is for Greg and Clarkman. They said in their most recent video somebody should make a BrickHeadz skateboard. Well, now I have, it's a pretty simple build, and I'll go ahead and get into the pieces in a minute. But yeah, this is for Greg. I hope he sees this video and makes one, even though it's a pretty small build, but whatever. It's still pretty cool, as you can see. It rolls around pretty well. So yeah guys, now I will show you the pieces. So of course what you'll need is a brickhead of your choice. I chose the Ninjago Movie Lloyd, and you will need these two axle tire pieces for the tires that have Technic pins on the side. So you'll need two of those. You'll need a 1x8 tile or piece, whatever you like to call it. It can be any color you want, and it has to match your brickhead. It doesn't have to, but I recommend it matches. So the green kind of matches up with Lloyd's, so I just thought I'd do that. And then you also need the basics for a tire, these little rubbery squishy things and the insides of them. So first you want to build up the 4 tires. Same thing for the other one. And then you want to put your 1x8 and click it in right here, and then click it in right here. And then there you go, there's your skateboard for your brickhead. So as you can see, it moves pretty well. Yeah guys, this was my Ninjago, BrickHeadz skateboard mock. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully Brickitect's Greg watched this. I hope he does, and I hope he makes one of these. Even though it's a simple build, it's still pretty cool, and I think Clarkman would definitely like it. So yeah guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.